above the ground but I'm under her charisma. Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon. Alienware came to kick ass and chew bubble gum. You know the rest. Sporting a new look and the first ever design that enables upgradable graphics, Alienware is ready to take its place as the king of semi-mobile gaming. The Area 51 meters, starting at $2,549, $5,099 as tested, doesn't look like anything we've ever seen from the brand. It's less Independence Day and more Flight of the Navigator. But there's more to this baby than just a pretty new visage. Armed with a desktop Intel Core i9 processor and one of NVIDIA's super-powered RTX GPUs, it absolutely demolished every test we put in front of it with graceful aplomb. It will also make a big dent in your wallet. But you consider that this is the first future-proof gaming laptop, it seems a small price to pay for a truly upgradable system and what Alienware is calling its first real desktop replacement. Having this much fun with a laptop should be illegal. I got to play with one of the more extravagant models of the Area 51 meters. Priced at $5,099, the system has an overclockable 3.6 GHz Intel Core i9-9900K desktop chip with 64 GB of RAM, two 1TB PM.2 SSDs in RAID 0 configuration with a 1TB, plus 8 GB SSHD, hybrid drive. An NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 GPU with 8 GB of RAM, an Intel UHD Graphics 630 GPU and a 1920 by 1080 144Hz display. The $2,549 base model has a more reasonable price and specs. You get a 3.6 GHz Intel Core i7-8700 CPU, 8 GB of RAM, a 1TB, plus 8 GB SSHD, hybrid drive, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 GPU with 8 GB of RAM, an Intel UHD Graphics 630 GPU and a 1920 by 1080 60Hz display.